How to delete playlist on YouTube. So go ahead and open your YouTube application. If you have a YouTube channel, what you need to do is go to your profile by clicking on your display photo on the upper right corner of the screen. A menu page will open, and in here, click on your channel option. Your channel will then be opened and your home screen will be displayed. Now scroll here until you reach the playlist tab. Once you're here, click on the three vertical lines on the side of the playlist that you want to delete. The option to delete, edit, and share will be shown below, so just click on delete. After confirming, your playlist will now be deleted. Now, if you don't have a channel, tap on the library option in the bottom right corner. Under the playlist tab, click on view all. In here, a list of your playlist will show, and the same process we did a while ago. Click on the vertical dots and then select delete playlist. So that is how to delete playlist on YouTube. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.